Hi, let me show you this 3-bedroom ready for occupancy unit here in Albany, McKinley West.
So pagpasok mo pa lang, this is the living area. Very spacious, bright, and perfect for everyday living or entertaining our guests. Right here is our kitchen. Very functional, clean layout, madaling galawan for daily cooking. Our kitchen comes with built-in microwave and dual sink, make it very practical and convenient, especially if you enjoy cooking. And here's our maid's room. Sobrang laki niya, great extra space for your helper or even for storage. Before I forget guys, coming back here to the kitchen, you also have a 2-door refrigerator, so everything you need is already in place. So samahan nyo naman ako guys sa mga kwarto. This is the first bedroom. Pwede siyang gawing guest room, home office, or study area. As we move into the second bedroom, you'll notice it's very comfortable and well-sized. It has a calm and private feel, making it ideal as a personal space or an extra bedroom for family. Both bedrooms share a common bathroom.